What did you say?
Okay, just give me one moment, not everything, just one.
Hi, I'm Anirudh, and this is Sonika
Watch us exclusively on #CoupleGoalsUnfiltered.
with Red.
Okay, now we are playing the compatibility test. What did you honestly think when you saw me in my wedding outfit, apart from me being beautiful?
I think it looked better when you were wearing it than from when we saw it first. What's the first compliment I ever gave you?
It's funny. It's
Yeah.
funny and cute. For the Pelli Chuplu, like for the first time we met, I didn't expect that was going to be happen. So we ordered a dessert and I started eating the gems and I started throwing out the chocolate part, just eating the outer thing. So then he was like, okay, maybe she's funny and cute in that way, yeah. What's one decision we took together that you're super proud of?
Getting Theo. I think that is a decision I took and you had to follow too.
Yeah, so he took the decision and I had to be okay with the decision. Getting a dog.
What's your favorite thing I do without knowing that makes you feel adored?
Planning a trip or organizing everything that I like in that particular place wherever we go or we're about to visit.
Do I?
Yeah. When did I pull off a surprise that left you completely speechless? I did.
I think whenever I go on a trip and you leave some notes in my toiletry kits and on my clothes for me to wear, I think that's something really cute.
Thank you.
If you had to screenshot one memory of us forever, which would it be?
I think it is the first time when we met. What's my ultimate chill spot in Vizag that I can't stop thinking about?
The beach.
Yeah.
When was the last time I surprised you and what was it?
I think for my birthday. I was not supposed to celebrate my birthday because of Indo-Pak war kind of a thing. So I was not ready to do it. So he arranged everything for me from my outfit, from my friends list, everything. So I was really surprised by the party he gave.
What's one small thing I do that makes your day better?
I think reminder messages he sends me if I need to take a medication or if I had to go somewhere, meet somebody, because I always keep forgetting things. So he just puts alarm on his phone and then he'll start reminding me it's 4 o'clock, you have to meet somebody, it's 3:30, you have to take your medicines and all. Yeah, I find that very cute. When was the moment you realized this is home with me? I think every day.
I think a lot of this.
Okay, just give me one moment, not everything, just one.
One moment.
I think he's playing hard to get it, but it's really easy because I always do that. There are a lot of things if you remember. If you give up, I get a point.
You do?
You give up?
Yeah.
But that's bad.
When I say 5 minutes, I will be home, how long does it actually take?
It will take 3 minutes. I'm really scared of his timings. I think he gets it from his dad. If he says 5 minutes, he'll actually be there in 3 minutes, and the other 2 minutes he'll be waiting for me like a pair timings. I'm very scared with the timing thing in the house. Rate my qualities for 5. My mood swings management.
Mine is 5.
I'm asking mine, not you.
Yeah, you're asking yours.
My multitasking skills.
A 3.
My flirting skills.
2.
My Insta game.
10.
My dance moves.
9.
Next segment is how well do you know each other? Who's the real addict in the relationship?
Real.
Who sends memes instead of real replies? Who flirts more in public? Who turns any fight into a comedy skit? Who is more talkative? Who is the funny one? Who is more romantic?
It's you.
Yeah.
Who says sorry first? But who starts the fight actually? Who is always on the phone? These are also 2 different answers.
You were always on the phone.
Clean.
Actually, you were on the phone, right?
I am.
Even
Again, you
after
are.
7. Yeah, even I'm also on the phone, but comparatively.
I guess.
Yeah.
Who starts the deep conversations at 2 a.m.? Who falls asleep first while watching a movie? Who captures more candid photos of the other? Lovely. So the next segment is the love scoreboard.
Okay.
First for humor.
I give 0. He's very bad at these things. Even I try to just send memes kind of a thing because I end up laughing like crazy and he'll be like, what's there to
What's
laugh
so
at?
funny in that?
Yeah, so it's just 0.
You have bad taste of humor.
And that's fine.
And you have given her
A 20.
romance,
I think 9.
Give her 10.
communication.
I give her a 10.
7.
Why have you got marks for him?
Because he's not that great communicating and I'm very good at
Oh, please.
Patience.
Yeah. I just gave it to him
Give her a
for
5.
Oh my god, why?
She has no patience.
comparatively, but I'm good.
Supportive nature.
Give her 100.
Honesty.
Give her 100.
This is very interesting. That's boring. That's why I gave you 0 for humor. See?
That's why you're an artist.
As a partner,
I gave a heart.
100. What heart? There is not a number.
Means it's an emotion.
Oh.
Yeah.
write a message for your partner.
Yeah, he just wrote love you. Just like his card, it's boring.
And she tried to make it interesting by saying love you too. And said, stay beautiful like me.
Final segment, the 3-second challenge. What's your marriage date?
Red. December 29, 2018.
First ever couple DP.
Red.
Right.
I did it.
Hey, I did it.
Oh, no, you see. I think it's on March 4. Because that's when I first came to Vizag and I met him on the beach. So, yeah, I remember.
Where was your honeymoon?
Red. Finland.
First movie watched together.
Oh, no idea.
I think it's
What is that movie?
KGF Part 1.
Your partner's most used emoji.
Red. Takes much.
A must-have app on your partner's phone right now.
Red. Instagram.
Yeah.
Favorite song as a couple.
Red. Rubaru.
Could you sing it for us?
Yeah, sing it. Only then you get the point.
I think it's Rubaru Roshni.
The place of your first meeting.
Red. Father
Her house.
in Hyderabad. Oh shit.
What was your first fight about?
Red. I think it's about getting vegetarian food because when we were on a trip, I didn't get a veg food.
2 options. Either you propose to her right here or you say a few sweet words to her in front of us.
I think the second one is better.
What do I say?
Just sweet words. What are those?
You are very sweet.
You can ask ChatGPT because ChatGPT knows me better than you. So
Interesting, cute, funny, sweet, pretty, beautiful. What else you want?
that's fine.
For more about us,
Grab the latest 15th anniversary special edition.